Outlook app not working. Here is the quick fix you can try. First of all, long press on Outlook app, then tap app info, storage usage, and first clear the cache, then clear the data. This will log you out from your account, so you will need to log in again. After that, close and go to Play Store or App Store. If you are using iOS, search Outlook app, and here you will see update option. So update the app to the latest version. If this still not working, then completely uninstall and reinstall the app. So this will fix the issue. After reinstalling, restart your phone. And the extra tip is that also check your internet connection, that it works properly or not. So let's go to Google Chrome or any other web browser and type internet speed test, and you will here in this website. So here you will check your internet speed. So hope this video will help you.